everybody, I'm Jessica Burke. I am this one's sister. I am helping her to tint her eyebrows. This is a hack I saw on Instagram. I'm using Just for Men mustache and beard. And for us natural blondes, our eyebrows don't really show up. So this is why we're gonna use this, and you're gonna see the results, and it's amazing. Okay.
I can't believe I'm tinting my eyebrows with Just for Men.
I mean, if you need results, I have done this process already, and it's...
They just look outstanding.
Well,
yeah.
We're all gonna find out.
As I said, they were on fleek.
Apparently.
On fleek.
Okay. Lift up. Oh my god, you have like no eyebrows. So we want to get like the little guys, just so this will help make the eyebrows look thicker and of course darker.
I have very little hair these days, so.
And what I love about this is that you can get multiple applications from this. So you mix it half, equal parts color base and color developer, whatever it's called, and then you can just keep it until you run out and you have no more. Okay, who's got a phone? Oh, 3 minutes. Let's start with 3 minutes. I did it for 5 and I felt like it was a little too dark. And you can always, put it back on.
Oh.
So
you mix what?
You mix equal parts color developer, equal parts color base. So just a little bit. I mean, eyebrows aren't that much, so.
Here's what the mix looks like.
Stunning.
Smells great too. Smells like
it smells like men.
And yeah, I mean, look, you feel how much you have left. That's going to be at least 2-3 more applications.
At least.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't.
And this is like $8 at Walmart.
Are we gonna have a conversation about the petroleum jelly in the background?
Oh yeah.
So you want to put...
Is this for the same process or a different process?
I mean, we all know Vaseline has multiple uses.
It does. One of which can be, at night you can put it on your lips to...
That's what I use all the time. It's chapstick.
Yeah. But the other use is you want to put it on the skin around your eyebrows so that you don't end up dyeing your skin and coloring your skin.
Oh, I gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. I don't know.
Definitely darker than they were, though, which is what you were going for.
Yeah, but they're not like that. They look good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm happy with this.
Just for men.
Just for men, for eyebrow tinting.
For women.
Just for men.
Just for men. For women.
We have Paxton making his vlog debut. We have Remy on the vlog. Say hi. Hi. Meow.
From Ocean Pines. I can't get my sunglasses on.
Mine are on. And I started the car ahead of time, so it's semi-warm because it's pretty chilly out here.
It is chilly. It is a balmy 32 degrees. However, the sun is shining, so I'm not going to complain. We are headed out for a little day trip to Berlin, Maryland today, which, little known fact, did win Best Small Town in America a few years ago. I don't know, I have to check.
It was a few years back, but I actually just read this morning that in 2018 and 2020, it was actually recognized by USA Today as some of the best shopping in the USA. So,
ooh, shopping.
Which could be painful for me.
So we're gonna check it out, hopefully get some lunch. We're gonna grab a beer at Burley Oaks and yeah, check out the shopping. So we shall see.
Just arrived in downtown Berlin, and it is just as cool as advertised. Tons of little shops, little bakeries, just all kinds of stuff. It's not too many people here today.
It's so cold.
Because it's really cold and really windy, which I'm sure you're gonna hear in this audio, but really, really, really cool place nonetheless. And yeah, we're just gonna hit a couple little shops and just hang out for a little bit, but not too long because we're freezing. So let's go.
So we stopped here at Baked, which is a bakery and cafe, and it smells so good in here. I wish you could see how good it smells. We got a cinnamon roll because it's Cinnamon Roll Saturday, so who could pass up Cinnamon Roll Saturday?
Not me.
Go ahead. Yeah, I'll take one.
Somebody's having more fun in the toy store than the children.
I'm gonna need some hand sanitizer after this. All right, we are back in the car. Main Street was super cute, but super cold. So we're gonna warm up at Burley Oak with a beer.
Or two. We'll start with one.
Okay. All right, so we have arrived here at Burley Oak in Berlin, right off of Main Street, like the main drag, and they have some really fantastic beer here. So Kenny got a single beer, the Fuzzy Slippers Imperial Stout,
Yes.
and I decided to get a flight because I wanted to try some different ones. The first one, I always like to go in order of like light to dark so you can taste better. I don't know if that means anything, but the first one I have here, the latest one, is a habitual pale ale. It's really good. It's like, it's
Do you know what it tastes like?
it's like it's more than a pale ale to me. Like a pale ale is very like thin and like thin. I don't know. It has more like boldness to it. If that makes sense. Whatever. It's good. All right. The next one is the High Wheat, which is a hibiscus wheat beer. It has a good color. I expected the color to be a little more like rosy from the hibiscus, but this one's my fave so far. Yeah, hibiscus is kind of my jam.
What's the next one? That one's kind of cloudy.
This one is a fruited sour with lactose. It is an eggnog cheesecake. I had to try it. Anything funky and weird on a menu, I'm your gal. It smells like Christmas.
Did the face say it all?
What's interesting, it's good, I don't think I could drink more than this though. Like I wouldn't drink a whole pint.
Fair.
I also wouldn't maybe just select that one in general. All right, last but not least is the Fuzzy Slippers. This is the one that you got a whole pint of.
Yes.
It is an Imperial Stout. I smell coffee. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. I love an Imperial Stout. They're also usually higher in alcohol, so cheers.
Like Nell stated, this is the Fuzzy Slippers Imperial Stout, and I love Imperial Stout, so I have no doubt this is going to be delicious. Oh yeah, definitely. Some coffee. Pretty deep notes of chocolate too, I think.
I get caramel out of it too.
I mean, yeah, some caramel too, but it tastes a lot chocolatier, if that's a word, than I expected.
It is now,
But
apparently.
it's delicious, so cheers.
What is that?
I got your present.
What is it? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You bought me this sweatshirt!
I did,
Thank you.
because I'm a great husband.
You are. I love you.
Some would say. I love you too.
Where are we going now?
We are heading into Ocean City to
Yeah.
the 45th Street Tap House.
Correct.
We love that place.
Maryland Pride, baby. Whew. All right. We just had a late but light lunch at the 45th Street Tap House and Grill in Ocean City.
We did.
It was delicious.
Shrimp tacos?
Shrimp tacos.
I had shrimp
I had
tacos.
catfish tacos because I love catfish. I can't always get it.
Couple of beers.
Couple of beers. We had the mussels. They were delicious. It's just kind of like a staple that we go to in Ocean City on the off season. It's like right by the bay, pretty water views. It is so incredibly windy outside that it is impossible to record anything
Yeah,
like commentary.
The wind would be terrible. You wouldn't be able to hear anything that we're
gosh.
saying. But I mean,
So I think that we had a really good day
we did.
in Berlin, Ocean City, kind of, sort of. And we're just going to head back to Ocean Pines now, so...
We're gonna get to the water here before we leave. Here. That
My eyes are watering so bad.
That
from
I
the
can
wind.
promise you.
But yeah, we can do that.
We will. Maybe not right now, but tomorrow,
Yeah.
maybe.
All right.
Okay. Anyway.
Okay. Bye.
Can I request something real quick?
Sure.
I don't think you've been on a vlog.
No.
Oh.
Can you introduce yourself to? Can you introduce yourself to the channel?
So it's like chicken. Kebab. Do you want me to like do an actual introduction that doesn't suck?
That will make it into the bloopers.
Welcome to the vlog. We're gonna give you a great kebab today.
I'm gonna give you a great
Oh my
kebab
God.
tonight.
Can you do like a recipe of like a chicken kebab recipe and then be like, guys, I'm making chicken like kebab.